30x, 25x, 45x.
Oh, what should I do? I'm feeling this FOMO. What should I do?
This bull run is a meme token bull run.
Bitcoin is a bubble.
What if Trump dies?
Hello guys, welcome to my podcast. My name is Maria Andersen. We talk about crypto, blockchain, money, investments, and also millionaire mindset here. Today I have a super special guest, Vugar, my friend, who is the CEO of Bitget. Oh my God, it was a long time. I wanted to invite you to my podcast. Hello Vugar, how are you?
I'm very excited to be here, and I love how I think it's like a logical continuation of our first conversation.
Yeah.
We were still in a crypto spring, winter ending, summer is in there, but today we are in a very crazy state, end of the year. Bitcoin did all-time high. Almost everything did all-time high, kind of, and everyone is on the edge. Candles, greens and greens. Yeah, let's do it.
Let's talk about something controversial today. Also,
let's do it.
Like Memecoins or something.
I love Memecoins.
Yeah.
I was so much against meme tokens, like all the time.
I know.
And everyone knows it. Everyone's like, you are just Bitcoin, Ethereum.
Yeah.
But one thing actually you said that literally changed my entire perspective, that Memecoins is the only way in today's market to do 10x or 100x. Then you have to do it, because Bitcoin won't do you 100x. If you are a starter, if you want to learn, and if you want to actually feel the excitement of crypto, then I believe meme tokens is the next big thing. And we have seen how it changed entire narrative. And I think this bull run is a meme token bull run.
Of course, we already see it. I recently bought a car from my Memecoin profits. Can you imagine?
So cool.
This is so cool. But meme coins are super risky. So guys, if you don't have any strategy, don't jump into every single meme coin that you see, right?
I won't say a name, but recently on Bitget, we've been listing 4 or 5 tokens.
Okay.
And all of them did 30x, 25x, 45x. That I see it and I am excited. I usually don't trade much. I have a team who helps me with the meme tokens, but even like my friends always call me like, oh, you listed this token and we bought, and it is crazy. And there were several cases where we listed and Binance right after listed and token like literally pumped. And I've seen the excitement in the eyes of my friends and family. And especially for the people who never been to crypto, they came and they see like 100K for a Bitcoin.
Yeah.
But then they put like a $500 and made it 750 in a week, which is 50% increase. It's huge amount. Then they've been crazy. Like I see like meme tokens bringing so many people to the industry.
Yeah,
like
true.
As a Chief Operating Officer of a centralized exchange, world's 4th largest exchange, we also want to look at from a different angle. It's not about like what meme coins makes you money. Definitely it does a lot of money, but it is also about how many people come to crypto because of meme tokens, because of the tap to earn games, ton ecosystem, Solana. I've seen that Solana did 100 million on DEXs. Like,
can you imagine? Wow.
It's huge. It's like an economy of a country.
So you're happy about meme coins now, yeah?
I am happy. Still, I am aware that it's a very risky asset.
Yeah.
And because like I've already liquidated some of my Bitcoin assets, I've been holding Bitcoin for the last 3-4 years.
Oh my God.
This time, because I always like when I start trading, I have an exit strategy.
Let's talk about it, because this is actually one of the most common questions that I have from my audience. What's the exit strategy? What should we do? Of course, everyone has their own, style and strategy and goal and income and expenses and everything. But what's your exit strategy?
I'll give a different example, not a crypto example. I usually say if you, for example, you go to a job interview, you negotiate a salary. Then if tomorrow you come to the job and you realize that everyone gets $200 more, will you be sad or happy? For me, because I negotiated the best salary in that position for myself, I don't mind how much everyone else gets as long as I get what I want. Therefore, it's very important to understand what you want. Second, exit strategy is a strategy before you put a trade to understand what is your happy point. Where do you want to take it out? Because charts go up and charts go down. And last 2 cycles, I've seen people waiting for more and for more and for more. They never sold on the right time for themselves. And they never, if you don't sell or capture the profit, it means what have you done? Why are you even trading?
Yeah.
In my opinion, money only has a value if you transact. If you buy a car, you go on a trip, or you rethink of your portfolio. Therefore, when last cycle I start buying Bitcoin from around 17,500 and up to 52. Last purchase was around 52. Therefore, for me, anything above 90 was almost double profit, right?
So
especially
cool.
dollar cost averaging.
Wow.
My average was around 36,000.
Yeah.
Anything more than 90, what else do I want? Like 3x in 2 years. If you put your money to bank, S&P 500, whatever you do, you will never get that return. Therefore, for me, it was, okay, I will capture this profit and what I'm going to do next. First, definitely spend some things on diversify my portfolio, some trips and travel and luxury goods. You love shopping, I love shopping. Like celebrate this moment. And then, of course, wait for the right time to buy back, and definitely then take your money. My always strategy was that, even previously, like how cycles were, like Bitcoin goes high, you capture some profit, you go to alts, you capture some profit, you go to memes, and you basically try to maximize your returns.
Yes.
And that is my exit strategy. Like, put the price where you will be exiting and you will be happy. And especially if, in my case, right, if I started from the 36, I did 90, sold at 95, even like Bitcoin reaches 120, I won't be sad. But you will be sad if Bitcoin reaches 120, you don't sell at 120 expecting 130, but then Bitcoin down and you sell downwards at 95.
That's not happy.
It's a different mindset. One thing, I did 3x. Another thing, after 120, if it goes to 95, I'm kind of losing money mentally. Therefore, like, I try not to do that.
This is so smart, by the way. Yeah.
It is.
I think so.
It is controlling. I think I'm like a very emotionally controlled freak, because I know a lot of people love trading and they do this like a crazy mechanics, and they want to like a maximum like to the point. I never care about to the points. For me, it's like a big sum.
And even if you're just a beginner, because my audience, I know a lot of beginners through my audience. They are just new to crypto. They came because of meme coins and they don't understand what to do. So if you're a beginner, don't go crazy into trading. Maybe just try little by little. What would you recommend? Okay,
for me, if you are a beginner, again, exit strategy. Basically, you have to come, you tell, I have $100. My first task should be to make 100, 110.
Okay.
Then make it 120. Don't expect make 100 to 1,000.
Yeah.
If you are 100 to 1,000, then go to casino. Maybe there's more luck.
Yeah.
Because every decision you make should have a logic. Why this should happen, why this should not happen. And I see in your content a lot, you always ask, when Doge gonna reach $1?
Shiba Inu.
Oh, Shiba Inu.
And Doge too, but Shiba Inu mostly. People want it. People want to know.
But like I will always say, from the economic perspective, easy way to predict is to look at the market cap. If a token have $1 million market cap, it means to double its price, it needs to double its market cap.
Yeah.
To double its market cap, you have to understand how big the entire crypto industry is. If entire crypto industry is $2.3 trillion, and if you need another $2 trillion to double Shiba Inu or to double Doge, it means economically it's not possible, right?
Yeah, not.
Or it's not possible in a cycle of a 2 years or 4 years cycle. Therefore, that strategy works very well in meme tokens, because meme tokens start really small. You will see a market cap of, I don't know, 300K, and suddenly it becomes just 3 million, gives you 10x.
Yeah.
Therefore, in order understanding, especially if you are trading, you are beginner in a meme token, you put and you try to understand how many X's you could do. Just look at the community and understand, does this community can grow 10 to 100 and 100 to 1,000, and every zero jump is your 10x. Don't look at to the chart, try to understand, will it go up, or will it go down? It won't tell you anything. But if you look at the market cap and the growth of a market cap, then you can definitely predict how many x's can be done there.
This is so true. This is how my 14-year-old son trades meme coins. Can you imagine? He finds something that is low market cap. He tracks the community, the hype around the project, everything, and he makes his own money. Now he's asking me, should I go to school? Maybe I should just be at home and trade. What do you think about that, by the way?
Okay, I will say something like, especially parents gonna hate it.
Oh, no.
Always say like trading is one of the very few industries where you can be self-taught and you can outperform a Harvard graduate or Oxford graduate, because it is about analysis, it's about understanding the market, it's about so many things together. Therefore, you can definitely be self-taught and so much education available that you can definitely outperform an average person. But also, in my opinion, because I come from a very strict family and I'm very happy that my family invested a lot of energy and resources for my education. I did my PhD in economics. Therefore, I believe education is not about learning something from the institution. It's more about learning how to self-teach. And also it is about a discipline. If someone, in my opinion, can party hard and still study, go through that 4-year experience is very important, especially in our like a digital age where all our communications and friendships are on digital. In my opinion, going in person and building that friendship is very important. For me, it's more of like a social experiment rather than whether you will be a good trader or not. Definitely going to university doesn't make you a good trader or a good investor or nothing.
Or good, I don't know, money maker or something.
At all, it doesn't. It can make you a good employee who works 9 to 5 and goes home and gets a salary and is happy. But it doesn't. It definitely doesn't make you rich or creative. But in my opinion, it's great to go find that friends, understand what you want to do, build that social cycle. Because when you look like, I think the university is a last step before you become a truly adult and go with on your problems and life. Therefore, I think it's like 4 beautiful years of networking and partying. At least it was for me.
Yeah, but we can still network when we are 30 and 40 and 50 and 60. It doesn't matter.
Dubai crypto yacht parties, right?
Of course, every single day. Oh my God, education.
Dubai has so many parties. How do you deal with that? I see you everywhere. You go. You
not
are
everywhere.
Present.
Oh, come on.
You are the star of all shows. Like, if you're not there, is that even happening?
Yeah. I know. Thank you. Yeah. Well, I'm trying to attend mostly educational events. Like recently we attended Crypto Content Creator Campus, which was great, in my opinion, one of the best events. And this is what I'm trying to do.
Yeah, creating content is very important.
Yeah,
we talk about education, and I think in 21st century, podcasts and different digital projects and academies educate you more in a lesser price than going to university. If today you go to Harvard, you'll pay 200, 300K a year to study there. For 200K, you can build your own school.
Buy Bitcoin and just educate yourself for free. It's all available online for free. You don't even buy my courses. You can just, if you have discipline, if you have this mindset, just go and study for free. Find it using Google or any other browser, right?
Definitely. Yeah, there's so much resources. I always say, especially how a bull run happens, right? Your cousins and your schoolmates, everyone tries to call you and telling what shall I buy? And I'm like, this is the list of
research.
Go do it. Go watch. Don't I always say never rely on people's advice. Never rely on random person's advice unless you truly know what they do, if they're the top of their business. But if someone randomly tells you go do that, go do this, always do your own research. Take the responsibility. That even if you lose the money, you wouldn't be sad. You'll tell, okay, I tried to understand, I did something wrong. But if you lose money because someone else's mistake, it hurts so bad. Yeah,
it's so hard for people to take the responsibility. It's the problem. Okay, but let's talk about one more controversial topic. So we have holidays soon and we will all gather with our families, sit together and talk about different stuff. And of course, they will ask us, crypto people, about Bitcoin maybe. I don't know what about your family, but my family, they just don't like crypto at all. They don't understand it. And I want to ask you the question that they will probably ask me. So they will tell me, and you have to answer me, okay? So it's a controversial question. So they will tell me, Bitcoin is a bubble. What should I tell them?
That's a very good topic. And after 2 years, I managed to fix it for my family. And here's a great advice for everyone. Basically what I did during the year, whenever there was a birthday or holiday, instead of buying a gift or anything, I just sent them, download this wallet and this is your seed phrases.
Oh.
And I put some money in there. And why I did wallet, not an exchange or anything, first I wanted them to go through the hustle to understand how to take that money out. Because whenever there's a money incentive, people try to take it out.
Gotcha.
And they try to find a ways. And when they went back and struggle, what is, I don't know, TRC, ERC, BRC, and how to put money, how to do this. When they go through that 7 rounds of hell, they get excited and they kind of learn in the process. You want to gift someone, I don't know, anything, put $50, $100 in the wallet. Maybe they will forget about it for 3 months, 4 months, 5 months. But at some point when they hear something in the news, they will get excited. But second thing what I did, I gave them a USDT. I told them it is one-on-one. You can change. It's stable coin. It doesn't go up and down. And it stuck with them. They were happy. But then every time there was a topic of a Bitcoin in the news and they will be like, I was like, yeah, if you bought Bitcoin with that $100 I gave you, you would have now $156.
Ooh.
And they got so excited. Now my entire family has a small portfolios. Everyone managed to move from the wallet to exchange. Now they understand what is TRC, what is BRC. It is a long journey. If you have patience, I think it's a great way to teach people. And this way, basically, you teach them, you give them an access, you give them a choice. And because there's a money incentive and they don't have to do the initial investment, they get excited. And I think another lucky part for me was that most of my family lives in Turkey. And because of the inflation, using stable coins is very widely famous. Everyone has a wallet. They try because of the foreign exchange. But I think it's a very good strategy. Like, don't tell your family, show your family what they're missing. If they realize that they missed, I don't know, 50, 60, 70% profit, then they will be very, very excited.
So true. I will do it tomorrow. Actually, I will do it. Thank you. This is such a great advice. I never heard anything like this before.
And it's also great interaction. For example, if it's like, I don't know, like a gift unwrapping, you can just write down in a nice postcard. They will open. They'll have to go download, put a seed phrases. Like, it is like another like a 20, 30 minutes, and you can explain them in the process what they can do. And because wallets doesn't require any KYC or any preset from their end, because then you can just preset for them and then they can do. And also a secret, you can keep the seed phrases also for yourself. After 1 year, if they didn't do anything, take your money back.
Yeah, oh my God, this is so cool.
Cashback on gifts.
Yeah, this is what I will do tomorrow. Thank you.
It's like a crypto gift card.
So cool. And so what would you tell someone who thinks that they missed Bitcoin at 15K, at 16K in 2022, or when we had this bear market, and now they experience like crazy FOMO? They're like, oh, what should I do? I'm feeling this FOMO. What should I do?
Okay, not a financial advice, but even in the beginning, my prediction was, and like my friends and family were like looking at, I told, in my opinion, Bitcoin should hit 95 and then somewhere around 100, but not exactly 100. And then it will go down till 80, maybe even 75. And then we'll go up 120. In my opinion, 120 and 30 is the max of this bull run. Unless we see something really huge happening.
Yeah.
And then we will see a cycle repeating itself. Therefore, if you haven't bought it yet, maybe it's the right time to do it now. But also don't get excited about this quick turnaround. Don't think that you will buy Bitcoin now and after 2 weeks you're gonna, I don't know, sell it to 3x, because it won't happen.
No.
If you want that, you should be able to keep 2-3 years.
Yeah.
Basically, you buy this cycle, you sell next cycle. But if you want to do something quick, then go to alts. I know that Solana is doing some crazy things now. Everyone talking about. Even we saw Ripple jump in with all the political games. It's similar to the entire stock market and entire economy. Now we'll see what's going to happen, because on the 20th of January, we have the Trump's inauguration. Then he will do his first bill. What will it be about? Then definitely first quarter, we will see unemployment numbers. If they could create more jobs, then things will be better. We will have the new head for the Federal Reserve and SSC, who will tell us, is money becoming cheap or not? There are so many variables happening. And yesterday I was having a talk with one of the good friends, and he was like, no, we have to be super bullish on Bitcoin. You did a very big mistake selling it in 90 something. Trump will come, things will be different. But I was telling, what if Trump dies?
Yeah, it's possible. People die sometimes.
People die, and he's old. Market can change so quickly. You can't predict. Therefore, have an exit strategy.
Yeah, taking profits is cool, actually. Why we all here in crypto? Of course, we'll love the space, we'll love the community, but we also love money. Why not? We have to pay our everyday bills.
Money is there to be spent.
Yeah.
And I'm sometimes might sound silly, or you don't expect a, I don't know, COO, PhD talk about it, but I believe money is an energy.
Yeah,
and
me too.
As all the other energies, energy should move. You have to spend. If you are driven by the fear that my money will end now, I don't spend it, it will end. But if you always think that I will make more money, and you have money making mindset rather than money saving mindset, you will make money, and more you reward yourself, you will feel better. People always is that like, oh no, instead of doing that, I would put it, I don't know, to, let's say, one of these tokens, maybe Aptos or ADA, whatsoever, and it will make 3x if this price it. And I'm like, yes, but now you are limiting yourself, and your entire body and mindset works on limitation rather than growth and doing something big. But if you take that trip, if you buy that car, buy that nice clothes, I don't know, take care of your health, it's very important. Then you can definitely perform better, have a better mindset to make things work, especially in trading. I always say, like, as a trader, you should have a bigger screens. You should have a better desk.
Of course.
You should take all the other worries from your life that you can focus. Otherwise, you will be always that, I'm losing, and you do panic mistakes.
Yeah.
Don't do that.
Don't do that, guys. Honestly, I don't know how it works. I believe in energy and all these things, but I don't know how it works. When I give someone money, I mean, just little tips or something. When I buy gifts for my loved ones, when I spend money for my stuff that I like, I have more money.
Definitely, because you take your worry out.
Yeah.
I always say, if a problem can be solved with the money, it's not a problem, it's an expense.
Yeah.
If you can pay extra to go in front of the queue instead of waiting 2 hours, you save that 2 hours that you can go make money.
For sure.
And every time we outsource something, we actually create more time for ourselves. Whether, I don't know, if you are just a starter, maybe like having enough funds, if you have so, paying your yearly rent in advance will take that monthly worry from you. If you live in your own home, you will not have that rent worry. Basically, every time there is less worry in your life, you can focus better. And when you have so much worry in your life, then you can't focus on anything. And one of the simple ways is when you clean your home before you go to the bed, and you wake up in a clean home, and you don't have to think that, oh my God, home is dirty, I need to clean up. Because you already took that worry out of your life. Then first thing in the morning, you can have your coffee, meditate, and start working without worrying things from the past. Therefore,
100%.
Thinking in that way that every action I take should take a worry out of my life. And one of the worries is if you trade and don't lock your profit, it means the worry is that you can lose the money. and you can't buy your dream car or you can't go to your dream vacation. Therefore, in first opportunity, take some profits out, do what you actually love, and that will keep you motivated in the longer run, and you'll keep making more money.
Yeah, 100%. This is a real millionaire mindset. This is what I'm always talking about to my audience,
Yeah, in my opinion, it is about like what you do with the money, like why you want money. I always say like people are like, oh, I need $1 million. Like this $1 million number, actually $1 million isn't a big money. If
it's
you
not.
want a decent car, maybe it's like $500,000. If you want a good home in Dubai, it's more than $1 million.
$1 million is such a tiny amount of money. Yeah, I
maybe
know.
a down payment, depends what you want. Therefore, $1 million isn't a big number. Therefore, first you have to think why you want that money and what you're gonna do with it next. Because having that money, I always say like it's like a UI UX. You open your bank's app, you can see $1 million. You can open Bitget's app, you can see $1 million. But what's next? This is just a number on a screen.
Yeah.
What you're gonna do with it actually will show how you manage that million. Can you make it 10 million or 100 million? Or you're just gonna go spending sprint and in a good night out. I know people in Dubai who spend $100,000, $200,000 just on a table in a club.
Yeah. Well, Dubai is different, Dubai is a little bit different than the rest of the world,
But if you are rich and you're not in Dubai, where are you, right?
I don't know. Where are you guys? All the crypto new millionaires.
Everyone is in Dubai.
Yeah, I see. By the way, talking about crypto millionaires, as a part of a centralized crypto exchange, you probably saw a lot of new millionaires.
I saw a lot of new millionaires and I saw a lot of first-time millionaires, people who come from nothing and they could make. Because usually around 30-40% of the millions, people inherited.
Yeah.
But it's the first time we see that people can make money, can make fast, and can make now. And in the beginning, we were talking about meme tokens and everyone's like, why do we think, what's the social phenomena?
Yeah.
Because still in our age, boomers hold most of the world's jobs, homes, money. Most of the world is there because they've been collecting and they don't want to die.
Yeah, I know.
And they've been living for 80 and 90. Okay, I don't want anyone to die, but it's about opportunity.
Yeah.
And in my opinion, meme tokens is a great opportunity for Gen Z to make money and to make money fast.
Yeah, true.
And we saw recently the kid who was pumping and dumping and all that crazy story. It's so fascinating. Everyone's like, oh, this is kid, he has to go to school. I'm like, no. He understood the market. Meme tokens is about a moment in the history. It's about that one particular aspect. Something is cool, we bank on it, we earn, we spend, and it dies. Meme tokens are made to be dead.
For sure.
For me, if meme tokens stays too long, it becomes boring.
I mean, don't hold it for 5 years, right?
Exactly. Like, quick in, quick out, make fun, do the right decision. And therefore, for that kid doing like, I don't know, 30K dumping and the people coming and pumping it up. Because if he didn't dump, we wouldn't even know about the entire story.
True.
Because everything happened in a live environment, in a stream. It became an exciting moment. And we saw that every time there is some excitement around the project, people actually come and feel like it, and and it's not the first time happening, right? We saw what GameStop did how it was pumping. Therefore, capitalize on a cultural moment is very important because internet is so fast. It's just like a one scroll up and it's gone.
So true. So what do you think are the next 3 trends in crypto?
My 3 trends in crypto is first, let's start from a big picture to small picture.
Okay.
In my opinion, because now there's a lot of institutional money in Bitcoin, for me, in next 1 or 2 years, Bitcoin will become an industry itself.
Wow.
And crypto will become a separate industry because money, on all other cycles, if Bitcoin goes up, money will waterfall down to the altcoins and so on.
Yeah.
It doesn't happen anymore because money is just changing hand within that Bitcoin ecosystem. But also for everyone who really want to build a generational wealth, I think it is one of the last times that ordinary people could enter. In my opinion, more and more it will be very hard to buy Bitcoin because a lot of money will come. It will become so expensive in the long run. First.
True.
Second, I believe there's a huge still room for improvement for layer ones, infrastructure projects, deep-in projects, cloud computing, and all this tech cool stuff that mainly is about VCs. It's very hard to enter in a very early stage because these people usually don't need that much money. And third and most important, as I mentioned, it is about hype projects and meme tokens and all these like cool things that can be short-lived. You have to ride the wave and capitalize on it. It's not a long-term investment. Therefore, in my opinion, you should always jump between these two. Like you do a really long-term investment, you take profits out, you come to meme tokens, you do another 5-10x, you go back, and if you can jump always between these two, this way, first you'll have fun, and second you can accumulate wealth and also balance it, where Bitcoin will give you assurance that you won't lose much. Meme tokens will assure you make 3x, 5x, because you won't be able to make another 10x in anything in top 10, unfortunately.
Yeah, for sure. You know, as I say, Bitcoin will give you freedom. Meme coins will make you millionaires.
Definitely. But like, make money, use that money either to build your portfolio, enjoy your life, and do that quick transactions. Because if you are, let's say, entire your portfolio is meme tokens, therefore you'll have too much stress. Like, you can't handle that.
No, stress we don't like. Okay, any other final wishes to our audience before 2025?
I think 2024 was an exciting year. 2025, I hope, will be the same wavelengths where we can build and it grows. But especially now, kind of at the end of the year, I know that crypto people are very enthusiastic. We are always excited about what is next. Like people never talk about 10x. If something did 10x, everyone's like, what is another 10x where I can put my money? Therefore, in this festive season, take your time to appreciate what you have built, what you have gone through. Reward your loved ones, reward yourself, love yourself. And if you made money, definitely take, I don't know, 2%, 1%, 5%, whatever is good for you, you can afford, and spoil yourself. Buy a gift for yourself, celebrate yourself, because it never ends, right? We are in a bull market, then bear market will come, another bull market. Like this market cycle goes on, and you can't just wait for the next big thing. Maybe the next big thing is right now, and why not to enjoy it? And definitely do the trick. Put the seed phrases, put $50, $30, $100, and gift it to your family. More people comes to crypto, bigger our family becomes, and more excitement happens here.
Oh, thank you so much. I'm doing it, and see you in 2025.
See you in 2025.
Thank you.